Hello all! Today I want to do a demo of the Haotion Lasers XY table. If you've not used an XY table, this thing is absolutely fantastic. When you're doing something that requires precision work, like a high-end Leatherman, or something expensive that you can't really replace because your customer gave you only one of them to engrave, you want to make sure that you have the precise location for what you're about to engrave. Having this XY table, hopefully I can zoom in and you can see how making fine-tune adjustments with these knobs allows me to get my framing exactly where I want this to sit. That way I have no questions whatsoever about where my laser is going to engrave. Now that I have it set, I can hit fire on my laser and we'll see what it does. And there it is. The final product here. Pop this out, move in on this. As you can see, it is centered up exactly where I wanted it to be. It looks great, and it's right where I need it to be without having to purchase something else because I screwed up the first time. Using the Haotion Laser XY table allows me to do fine-tuning adjustments, both left and right, and up and down. Have a great one.